Yeah, you can copy and paste styles in Figma. For example, let's say we want to recreate this button. We'll just copy the style of this button, the text and the rectangle, the shape, color, radius, and all that stuff. I think it also has no. Actually, let's just add some drop shadow just for the sake of the example. So let's create a rectangle and then some text, button text right here. Let's make it some different size and color just so you can get a better idea. So now all we have to do is just click a few times because this is a component or something, a group. Just click on it until it gets separated, right? And then right click and then copy paste as, copy properties, and then just go ahead, right click again, paste properties, and you basically copied all the styles from the first layer to the second one. Now let's do the same thing to the text. Copy paste as, copy properties, paste properties. So yeah, as you can see, it didn't copy the size of the rectangle because we changed that, but it copied everything else. So the radius, the fill color, the drop shadow, and stuff like that. And you can do the same thing to anything, really, any type of layer. Let's try it with this one. As you can see, it worked. Um, let's try to copy this shape. Copy properties, paste properties. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you copy and paste. There's also a shortcut you can use. Control Alt C and Control Alt V. So yeah, if you want to just copy the text, you can just copy it, right? Right click, copy. Also, another thing, let's assume you want to not copy the style, but you want to copy the actual text, right? So you just want to copy the text register with email. If you hit Control C and then Control V, you'll also notice that it copies also the style, not just the text. So to copy just the text, if it's something that you want, just right click, copy as text right here. Okay, and then you can paste it, and it will continue to have the same style it had initially, right? Originally, but it will just copy the text. Unfortunately, for some reason, you cannot copy just specific parts of the layer. So if you want to copy as text just email, you're not able to for some reason. So you just hit copy as text, but you end up with pretty much the whole text contained in that specific layer. So yeah, as you can see, I'm pasting it. Right, I'm pasting it right now, and instead of adding just email, it adds the whole text register with email. It's probably a bug, or I don't know, maybe I just don't know how to use it, but anyway, that's how you copy and paste styles, and that's how you copy and paste, I don't know, just text or just specific parts of layers. So yeah.